an art and craft video. So in the art and craft video, we are gonna do some crafts, not art. We're gonna do craft. So
with waste colors.
With waste crayons. We are gonna do with waste crayons. So let's start. So for doing this craft, we need some colors. We need some waste or used crayons. So we need crayons. Don't use pencil. So for doing this craft, we need some crayons. So we have purple, pink, brown, green, blue, skin, red, black, gray, orange, yellow, golden, and white. So let's start. You have to cut the crayons into small pieces like this. And we have a candle, wax. We cut it like this and we throw away the thread. Okay friends, now you have to choose a color from the colors you took. We are doing in rainbow color method. So we took violet the first. Now we have to melt our color. So we have to do it in double boiling method. After a little melting, we have to add a little bit of oil, mold or something like this. We are taking a wooden cup. So friends, we already poured two colors. Now we are doing the third color. Was third color blue. Now we are doing the blue melting. Now we are doing melting the fourth color. Now we are going to add orange color, the last and final color. Now we need some wax and pour it in the top of all the colors. If you don't have wax, you can take a candle and melt it and pour that in the top of all the colors. And wait for 2 hours to set.
Now I am going to break the mold. Friends, our candle is ready. Our crayon candle is ready.
Craft video. Today we came with a craft video. So in this video we are gonna do a wall hanging, a small version of wall hanging. A small version of wall hanging and
heart shape cardboard.
Yeah, cardboard. Lava shape. Pista shells red color paint. Any color paint use.
Glue.
Water.
Then a paintbrush.
Yeah, let's start here. Okay friends, let's apply glue in the love shaped board. Okay friends, now let's stick the pista shells like this. On the side Okay friends, we have to cut red color. paint ചെയ്തെടുക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏത് കളർ വേണമെങ്കിലും ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഞാനിവിടെ റെഡ് ആണ് എടുത്തത്, കാരണം അതിനാണ് കൂടുതൽ അട്രാക്ഷൻ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്.
ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് പെയിന്റ് ചെയ്തത്.
In a bath.